Have you ever wondered how your computer knows where to send data, like emails, websites, or video streams? Ports are not physical, they are a logical connection between systems to allow the exchange of information. It may be specific to programs and applications, such as email and browsers, or services such as DNS. Every network device has 65,535 TCP ports, and each one acts like a digital door, handling different types of traffic. You've heard a couple already, such as HTTP port 80 and DNS port 53. Port numbers are always associated with an IP address. Otherwise, traffic would arrive on a server with nowhere to go. Ports make sure web traffic goes to the browser, emails go to your mail client, and remote sessions connect to the right service. So you are browsing the web and you are visiting google.com, for example, then your web request would be converted to an IP address and port number. The request hits the web server and then begins to send data back to your laptop. But it will need to make sure it sends back to your laptop IP address and its own local port number. This is to separate something within your browser called sessions. You could open more than one browser tab to Google, so how does it separate traffic? Well, that's what ports are for. You can actually watch this live on your laptop by calling up a command prompt. By typing in the command netstat, you can see all of the live sessions of browsing. On line 1, you can see my local IP address followed by my local port of 49786. It is connecting to my router that is the local DNS server, using port 53, which is the well-known port number for DNS. So now, the path is set up between my laptop and router for DNS and being able to display web traffic on my laptop. The second IP and port to look at is the 20.42.73.30, with a port of 443. My local IP address is the same, of course, but look, the local port number is different, representing a separate session. You can check online for an IP address at whatsmyipaddress.com and it will tell you who the company is. Placing that IP in the search box brings up Microsoft, so my laptop is in constant connection with their server. Did you notice earlier though, the port number is 443? This is the secure version of HTTP, called HTTPS. That's vital to security when you are browsing, shown here in the browser bar that it is a secure connection. It is an essential requirement. Just to give you a brief overview of the port numbers themselves, I am displaying the port number range, which is assigned by IANA, or the Internet Assigned Numbers Authority. These are further broken down into 3 main categories. The first 1023 ports are called well-known ports. You have seen some already, but some others are shown, including FTP, SSH, and Telnet. The next group of ports, ranging from 1024 to 49,151, are called registered ports. Registered by third-party companies, you may have heard of some of these, such as Radius or RDP. The final set of ports are the private or client-side ports. They are assigned temporarily to your local device during a session to a website or application, ranging from 49,152 to 65,535. We can show this process using another application called Wireshark. Start this up and you will see the usual interface. Keep the settings as standard. Meanwhile, bring up a CLI window and simulate a telnet login to 8.8.8.8 and on port 80. This is for HTTP, so that when we start the Wireshark capture, you will see these packets being generated in the background. Now stop the capture and examine the packets. Take a look at the first packet and you will see the local port number, which is near 40,000, and the destination port as port 80. That is also displayed in the box on the bottom left of the screen, which is the TCP or Layer 4 section of Wireshark. I run one more this time, using the port for SSH or 22. You can also use CLI for this, but I prefer Wireshark as it displays a lot more information. Again, it displays the source and destination port. Learning concepts like this is essential to your IT and cybersecurity career. Who knows, you can explain TCP ports to any of your colleagues, if they ever listen, and they will be fascinated. You may even become dangerous. Thanks for stopping by, and we hope you are learning more and more from our channel. Stay for the next video, and why not like and subscribe to the channel while you are here. We will see you again.